Welcome back, everyone. If you've ever wrestled with keeping your Power BI dashboards clean and easy to understand, then you know how critical it is to give your charts clear, meaningful names. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to rename any chart in Power BI. By the end of this video, you'll be able to update those generic chart titles into something way more specific, making your reports not just look good, but instantly understandable at a glance. So let's jump right in. First, you'll want to make sure you're in Power BI. If you already have your report open, great. If not, go ahead and fire up Power BI Desktop. For this example, imagine we've put together a tree chart. Now, a tree chart is really helpful when you want to break down categories within your data, say, for visualizing product sales by category. Now, let's get into renaming that chart. The first step is to actually select the chart you want to rename. This might sound obvious, but trust me, if you've been clicking around analyzing different visuals, Power BI might still have another object selected. Just give your chart a click. That subtle highlight around the edge will let you know it's selected and ready for editing. With your chart selected, look up to the right side of Power BI, and you'll see a pane full of formatting options. Find and click on the Format icon. It looks a little like a paint roller. This area is where you can tweak all kinds of things about how your chart looks, from colors to backgrounds, but what we want is the General section. So go ahead and expand General by clicking the little arrow. These menus can look a bit overwhelming if you're new, but don't worry, we're just sticking with the basics for now. Next, inside the General section, look for an option labeled Title. This is what controls the text sitting right at the top of your chart. Go ahead and click on it to expand the title options. Sometimes the default title Power BI gives you is based on your data fields, but it often isn't specific enough, especially if you share this report with colleagues or stakeholders who need more detail. Now here, where you make the magic happen, you'll see a field where you can enter your new title, erase what's there and type in something much more useful: total sales of clothing, electronics, and furnitures. Giving your chart a descriptive name like this helps everyone instantly understand what they're seeing. Imagine handing your report off to a manager. They shouldn't have to guess what the visual is about. A clear, detailed title answers questions before they're even asked, and that's really all there is to it. Power BI updates the chart title right away so you can see how it looks in context. If you ever want to adjust it again, just repeat these steps. So that's all you need to rename a chart in Power BI and make your reports shine with clarity. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit that like button. It really supports the channel. Drop me a comment if you have any questions or if there's another Power BI trick you want to learn next, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.